Origo News.
Walmart recall: make sure to check your fridge, cabinets, and kitchen for these 4 products. As the holiday festivities intensify, households are bustling with gatherings, meals, and celebrations. While this season is celebrated as joyous, it is also one of the busiest times of the year. Amid the excitement, essential alerts, especially those concerning product safety, must not be overlooked. Failure to heed these warnings can pose significant health risks. Affected products. Immediate actions recommended. If any recalled item is present in your home, Walmart advises the following steps. Food safety experts stress that holiday distractions can lead to overlooked hazards in kitchens. Recalls are crucial for preventing illness and injuries, not merely administrative notices. Stay informed and protected. Monitoring recall notifications ensures your celebrations remain safe and enjoyable. By maintaining vigilance in the kitchen and storage areas, you create a protective environment against hidden dangers during the busiest time of the year.
Origo News.